The next speech is about the evolution of AI agents in e-commerce from chatbots to autonomous transactions. 那是Sasha Denisov 带来的，他是就来欢迎 Sasha 可以开始。
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for introduction. Hello. Nice to see you in such great weather. Thanks for coming. Yeah. So yeah, in such weather, I would prefer to sit at home and warm bed. But yeah, knowledge, it's important. It's always important. Yeah. So it's actually already third talk for me today, and the last one, but not least, of course. And this talk won't be will be not about on-device AI. Finally, it will be about open source protocols, commercial protocols. So you see this image. Like I can start with a kind of joke. Like two agents walk into checkout. You're waiting for punchline, yeah? But there is no punchline, there is a protocol. And this talk will be about why your agent should stop clicking buy and start negotiate with a store agent how to buy something. Before we start, I have a slide with my self-introduction. So my name is Sasha, I'm from Berlin. I'm CTO and co-founder of Brainform AI. Actually, the first talk today is that fully related to what we in Brainform do. I'm also co-organizer of Flutter Berlin community and Google developer expert in Flutter, Firebase, and AI. If you don't know what does it mean, please catch me after the talk and I will explain what does it mean Google developer expert and how to get this title. Okay, so let's go. Shopping. So everyone shopped online, I think, at least once. I don't know, Amazon, Alibaba, whatever, a lot of marketplaces and online shops. And how it happened for the last, I had 20, but it's very approximate. Yeah, I think it's more than 20, like it's about 30 years already. So we have database with a store, and this database wrapped into images, product cards, and published on the website. And everything prepared for human eyes. You go to the website, for example, you would like to buy something, I don't know, what do you have, like sneakers. And you go to the website, discover it, search, find what you really would like to buy, maybe compare with different products, decide, okay, I would like to take exactly this, press the buy button, and you buy. Check out and buy. Yeah, and nothing changed the last 20 years, and it's okay, because no one else was in the room beside you or other human. So everything was made for human. But since few years ago, the situation was changed. Agents, AI agents came to the room, and now, oops, sorry, something went wrong. Yeah, agents are able to do your this discovery and buying job instead of you. So actually, agent can come to the website, do discovery, and even maybe buy something for you. But how agents work nowadays? So because everything made for human eyes, how agent can get information about what exactly this this store sells? It can I don't know, make screenshot of website, then analyze it, find the information, found where this button is, coordinates, and click this button, or analyze DOM tree or availability tree, accessibility tree, I mean, so all of them are workarounds. Workarounds how to scrape the site and get information that was prepared for human. And all the road, your agent have to fight with protection, because all sites have protection against these agents, because everything should be done by human. So it's not looks like a proper way for agents. So take a look to this e-commerce table of comparison. Past, we have human on buyer side, human storefront on merchant side, for discovery, human browsers this website, and on checkout, human clicks buy. What was changed? Almost nothing, so except discovery. On discovery, agent scrapes website. All other parts are the same. So still buyer side agent, of course, because we compare it. But merchant side still human storefront, and checkout still human clicks buy. So in ideal world, it should be like this. Agent talk to agents, not trying to scrape website. It's go to a website, find the agent of store site, negotiate with it, find the proper product, check out and pay for it. And actually, it's already exists for starting last year. The situation started to be changed. So we have new approach for this. So we have still agent on buyer side, but it shouldn't work with a human storefront. It can talk with another agent or with site capabilities, and not scrape the page. It can go directly to product catalog. And instead of just human clicking buy, there's opportunity to buy by agent. And there are few different ways how we can do it today. So 2 ways to buy that already exist. So we can go way I described, scrape the human page, click the site built for humans, but it's fragile. Its site can be changed, and actually it's illegal since 2026 is sorry. So perplexity against Amazon. It was prohibited by law, so the scraper is not a human. It's not allowed to do human things. But it's actually already not true, because Perplexity contested it, and it's now legally contested, and injection, and then stayed. So it's still possible, but nobody knows how it will end it. Or we can go another way. We can integrate your store into the platform like ChatGPT or Gemini, but you need to implement connector to every platform, and so every platform is a specific implementation for this, and only like big retailers who can work with it. And there is no shared language, no agent-to-agent specification. So even when it worked, who is liable? So we need authorize this purchase, who decide which amount is allowed to be spent, and if something went wrong, who will be responsible for the dispute, yeah? And the agent paying itself, it's necessary to have probable access to the agent. Actually, in Taiwan, it's also already was caught. I found that Taiwan got this AI Basic Act in the beginning of this year, in January. And Taiwan decided that there is necessary to specify who agreed to what and up to how much. But there is no answer to this question, just specification how it should be. So we are here, and let's see how it will be further. And we already have answers. So 2 protocols was created. It's agentic commerce protocol. So it's ACP. It's ACP and UCP. So sorry, something. Yep. Button. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it works now. ACP and UCP, Agentic Commerce Protocol and Universal Commerce Protocol. So one was initiated by OpenAI and Stripe, another by Google and Shopify. And they work different way. Take a look. How works ACP? It's, as I mentioned, OpenAI and Stripe. So catalog is indexed by the platform, in this case by ChatGPT. And discovery also by ChatGPT. So it was shipped first, and some companies started to work with it. For example, Walmart. Walmart started to work with ACP since the end of 2025. Google and Shopify decided to go another way. There is no connection, direct connection to the platform. So merchant should just public capabilities and everything of the store, and any agent that can connect and follow this protocol can get information and capabilities of the store. And few companies already joined to this, like Visa, Stripe already, and actually Walmart. Why Walmart is UCP if it's already implemented ACP, yeah? I will explain later. So I also added this slide because I came to the Asia. So it's not only 2, these protocols. Asia also start thinking in this direction. For example, Alipay ACT, Agentic Commerce Trust Protocol, is protocol implemented by Alipay, and it's already works. It's in 1 week of February 2026, how many? 120 millions of transactions under this protocol. And India, for example, also start working on such protocol, but it's only in plan, but it's already in progress. But yeah, one shape. Proof who agreed, how to discover and who agreed to do this payment. Let's compare in details. So advanced commerce protocol is centralized and linked to the platform. Universal, decentralized, and has no links to any platform. ACP, catalog, indexed by the ChatGPT. UCP, it's indexed on the catalog completely on merchant side, and can be read any agent in live. So scope of ACP is transaction moment. UCP has a full life cycle, from discovery to transaction. And actually, ACP is agent to platform because it's linked to ChatGPT and not to agent to any agent. Actually, you can see everything here on the table. The big difference is how transactions came. So in ACP, we have shared payment token. For UCP, we have specific protocol for payment, AP2. It's advanced payment protocol. Actually, it have to be APP, but he decided to change PP to P2, maybe to make more readable. Yeah. Walmart. What happened with Walmart? Walmart started to work with ACP, but then they figured it out. There is some issues when it works with different merchants and how ACP works with the rest of the products and in the store, and sometimes there was issues with ChatGPT. And after January 2026, Walmart decided to join UCP team. It still work with ACP in production, but without checkout. Checkout they implemented on their side. So ChatGPT is still on Walmart, but no ACP protocol anymore. And in April 2026, a lot of companies joined this UCP contest. Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Salesforce, Stripe. So the team is growing up. and it's kind of big names. So it's not approved by all open source world, but it's going to this direction. So, Universal Commerce Protocol, it's just a website. It's just a common language for platforms, how to share details, what exactly you can buy and how. It's built on based on 3 protocols under the hood. It's MCP, A2A, and AP2. So MCP provides tools what you can do and how. A2A, how to talk with the merchant side agents, and AP2, how to do payments. And all of them already confirmed like with the open source community. MCP is Agentic AI Foundation since December 2025, A2A Linux Foundation, and AP2 FIDO Alliance Working Group. Actually, AP2 is not completely finalized yet, but it's almost there. And UCP itself under Apache license, so you can just take and utilize it. Take a look, it's pretty simple. So you just need to publish description for your website and specify there which transport do you use. So you can use MCP for tools, A2A for your site agents. And actually you can use, if you don't have MCP or your agent, actually you can use REST. So it's not necessary use MCP or A2A. Then you publish your capabilities, checkout, cart, order, and so on. And cryptography, so how to sign, how to prove the ability to be bought. So agent just come, read, and understand what is possible to do on your website. Now, checkout, it's another capability of your catalog. So there are instruments how you will pay and handler how it's processed. It's pretty simple how to do it. AP2 is just probable contest with the 3 steps we already discussed in the beginning. So we need to specify and confirm intent, just everything described on the site, who delegated and how much you can spend on this on this buy. Then cart, which exactly item you would like to get, and which price is also confirmed and can go the next step, and the payment itself, how to authorize the payment. Who approved that probable? So there is no more barrier. So you can use this protocol and confirm all steps. And actually, there is the answer to all questions. In Europe, this question was asked in 2015. In Taiwan, this year. But so it's one mandate. It answers to all of these questions. So how it will be in ideal world when you implement and everything will work. So user just asking, I would like to buy wireless earbuds under 100 euros. Then discovery agent connect to UCP and start to discover and check this catalog, filter data, compare, whatever, and finally found the result that corresponds all details of user requests by price, by details, by everything. Then negotiate using A2A with merchant agent about how to buy it, and then settle payment via AP2. That's it. Then delivered the order to the initial customer. But yeah, it's an ideal world. We are unfortunately still not there. today, actually, discovery card checkout order works, but agent that can actually pay, it's sometimes don't work really properly because we can't prove who agreed, but no, how to prove the product page really contains information that's really true. And to take a look, let's imagine you are owner of your e-commerce store. You have classical e-shop, you have storefront, you connected to marketplace, but now you should care not only about this, you should care how people will look for your products another way, like this AI approach. So people start to look at products in ChatGPT, in Gemini, in Perplexity, and now you have to still connect all of them different way. Only ACP for ChatGPT. For Gemini, you have to connect through UCP, for example, or through Shopify approach, because Shopify connected to Gemini using UCP as well. For Perplexity, still use scraping. Let's wait how this low process will finish. And yeah, everything changes every quarter. So you can feel yourself like this. How to do everything proper way. Yeah, actually, there's a website of Brainform, and I could tell about how we help with it, but we are at open source conference, right? And there is no place for advertisements or something like this. That's why I won't tell about how we help with such things. But what I can say, there is nothing, no actually like rocket science. The thing is that it's open source, and to make it possible and to move it to reality, we can just start to do it and to contribute with it. So you don't have to build checkouts. You need to start expose capabilities. So it's already published. It's already open source. It's already under Apache license. You can just try to utilize it and contribute. So publish UCP manifest, expose checkout, wire AP2 mandate. That's it. So it was, I think, everything that I wanted to say about these protocols. But just try to imagine. So it's future. You won't need to do discovery yourself. You just go to ChatGPT or Gemini, or ask your own agent in Claude or whatever, OpenClaw, find for me something. And then agent negotiate, pay, and you just get result yourself. It just looks like a real future. Thank you very much.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for your presentation. It's really clear. Does anyone has any question dealing with maybe even not for open source part is fine?
Yeah, if you have questions, please ask. Yeah.
Actually, I have two questions about discovery. As a human being, I have a kind of experience.
Sorry.
Many China have a lot of websites, they sell things, but they will do some trick, like say, this computer, like say, worth like say $1,000, so it's expensive. But you were looking for laptop in the same category, I mean price range, right? So how can I bump my visibility of this product? I may have a web page, let's say, oh, this laptop is $1,000 and the accessory of like the mouse is $5. And this ranking of this the selling website will bump this visibility of a product if you sort it by price, because this thing have two items. This mouse is $5, the laptop is $1,000. Because you have cheaper options, so you bump from the bottom to the top. So the human being spend a lot of time to check, oh, no. even the price is $5 is very tempting, but actually you're looking for the laptop with $1,000. Human being doing that whole thing, and I think about since they designed the website, they can do this kind of trick to get the eye catching. How agent can determine which is kind of trick to lure you to buy this one, even the price for laptop is not right. So we may have this kind of problem. Another issue. This is about the discovery phase. Another one is checkout. Once we have this automatic agent-to-agent payment, if there's something wrong, which side will be responsible for the liability? For example, today the Dell, they sell this laptop for $4,000. If sometime the website have some kind of broken things, let's say they down to this price to $100, and you discovered, oh, let me to order 1,000 of this one, each one will be 100, and but they say, oh, I will not intend to sell this in low price. You know, it's not possible to sell the laptop in $500. The normal price should be 1,000. So who is responsible to these kind of things? This will be future kind of argument if you use the agent-to-agent transaction. I was wondering, how did you think about this kind of possible law argument or issue when we going to transaction from human to agent transaction in the future of the agent to agent?
Yeah, pretty long question. So I hope I understand everything correct. And so let me try to answer. So you are asking, so if we do discovery, if agent do discovery and find the product that not so yeah, actually a little bit lost in your question and didn't get exactly what you're asking for. So UCP is a just protocol that provides information for e-commerce, for commerce agent, for your personal agent. So personal agent is a, you can set up your agent and give your instruction as you own, how to make this, how to do the discovery, how to choose. So for example, depends on how powerful your agent is, which model do you use, and so I would like to buy this, I have this amount of money, if you will find cheaper, but not such bad, buy this, so it's just instruction, it's a prompt that you provide to your agent how to do this discovery. And this agent connected to UCP and get information to follow the rules that you provided to the agent. And regarding payment, so you give your agent like proofs to do this payment. So if you tell them, so okay, I give you proofs that you can spend such amount of money, and you confirm it and sign this the proof. So if agent buys it, buys from your intent and your proofs, you give this to this agent this. This ability, you confirm that you agree that agent will buy from your side. I hope I was at least close what you asked for.
So you totally trust the ability of the agent to...
You can use it if you totally trust how you configure it. Or if you trust someone who prepared it for you, but final approve from your side. So because it's, you know, it's not necessary to do full steps of all steps of this pipeline. You can delegate, for example, only discovery, but don't sign. Okay, you find for me like 5 options, but final decision will be on my side, and I will confirm that I will buy. But if you trust, you can, okay, choose yourself and buy. So it's on your side, it's your decision. It's not that you have to give them proof or buy for me anyway. No. It's all steps. If you remember this configuration, you also can, from merchant side, you also can provide opportunity to check out or not to provide. You can provide only, okay, on my website, you can do discovery, but not checkout. And the same on client side. You can configure your agent, you can do discovery, but not checkout. It works another way, so you can do checkout but not discovery, but it looks strange.
Okay, does anyone have?
There is one
It's
more
a
question.
okay.
So I have another question about security concerns, I guess, because as I understand, our final destination, our goal is end-to-end agent-to-agent commerce. And does this protocols specifies defense from things like prompt injections and something like that? For example, I can hypothetically create adversarial agent which could try to jailbreak user's agent, give me all the money you have. Does protocols have some concerns about that?
Probably I got your question. So UCP, let me take my clicker again. It was here. Let's. So, actually, what do we have here? We specify transport, how do we provide information. We specify capabilities, payment handlers, and sign-in keys, how to sign it. Actually, we provide only catalog details. You mean that prompt injection can be hidden in the catalog details if merchant would like to hack your agent, like bad merchant that. So you have to register a protocol and sign it. So if you publish it, you have already a responsibility. So it's not just somewhere in internet. It should be published and confirmed to your website that sells the product. But it not provides a prompt. It provides only catalog details. And when you negotiate with agent to agent, it provides a protocol that protected by. So that's confirmed by Linux Foundation when you negotiate with another agent. And this made on top provides only details.
Well, okay, about capabilities I understand, but prompt injection, well, that is a discovery part. And can adversary try to inject it this way? In in product discovery step.
Didn't actually get the question. You mean who prompt inject who? You mean agent?
As I understand, UCP allows, for example, me to create some storefront for agent. I mean,
no, not exactly. UCP provide you opportunity to specify your catalog and capability to check out and provide information about your products.
Agent can communicate.
And connection to your agent to make possible your agent negotiate with merchant agent.
Yeah. Or merchant agent with.
Or merchant tools.
Yeah. So idea is that if merchant agent is actually adversarial one, which try to fool me to steal money from my agent.
It's not details of UCP protocols. It's already so agent talks with agent using A to A, And you work with tools using MCP, so it details other protocols. And UCP is kind of on top of them, just to provide details about catalog and connect you with tools and agents using other protocols.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.